cool. I like it.
I like it too.
It's a silver plate on the back.
Silver plate. That moves. That's neat. Yes, Bree, thank you. That's a neat find. And in case y'all don't know, our last name starts with an R. So that's pretty cool.
It's going on the fireplace.
Look at it. Any more words?
That's going on my
Let's see.
belt loop.
Oh, it says more words right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. See it? Is that a patent number? It says grip. Giant grip. Looks like an F. Oh, there it is.
Anybody know how old?
I don't know. I guess they're the patent number 12-19-21.